Laketown Wharf Real Estate Market Report for the first quarter 2022 year-over-year comparison, Panama City Beach, Florida. Welcome back, you guys. This is Sean and
Alice
with Bay Real Experts, Coldwell Banker Realty here in Panama City Beach, Florida. And welcome back to the YouTube channel, Bay Real Experts, where we aim to educate you on the local real estate market so your next move can be
smart.
Nice. Okay. Alice, let's jump straight into this market report and tell everyone what's been happening at Laketown Wharf. You want to go ahead and kick us off?
Well, yes, we had two.
Hey.
We have 2 units sold there in the past 2 weeks.
Okay.
And one of them was the, what was it?
The penthouse.
The penthouse, yes. The
Tippy top floor.
The record sale for the lakeside view, $2135, sold for $330, guys.
Yeah.
Now the Gulf side 1 bedroom, 1803, sold for $370. So those are the
These are the highest price selling units now?
correct.
So
correct.
We're breaking some records is what you're saying.
Yes, we are.
Well, let's tell you guys what has been happening. We did promise we're going to do a comparison Q1 2021 versus what happened Q1 2022. So we had 52 condos that sold this year in the first quarter at Laketown Wharf.
Which is 28 less than last year.
Yeah, last year we only sold, not we, but the whole building
Right.
sold 80. So there's a little bit less inventory available right now. Check out the average selling price, though. Big differences again. This year, $377,867 for the average selling price of the condos in Laketown Wharf.
So it's 50.4% increase this year.
Yeah, values are just going bananas, going up, 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 up. So last year, first quarter 2021, average selling price was $251,276. And average days on market last year was 57.
This year, 43 days less.
So that brings us to average days on market of 14. So pretty much you list, you sell. And you're getting pretty darn close to what your asking price is, if not a little bit more, which brings us to our next metric, which is our average selling price to list price ratio at 99.7%. That's pretty impressive, you guys.
0.3% increase.
Yeah,
this
so
year.
we were still doing pretty good on that metric last year in the first quarter at 99.4. But what is happening now with active inventory in Laketown Wharf? Looks like we got 6 active listings right now. How many pendings do we have now?
23 pendings.
Nice. Yeah, that's a lot of movement.
Now, I want to tell you the sold records.
Okay.
So we just told you the sold records for the 1 bedroom, the lake in Gulf. For the 2 bedroom, the Lakeview, unit 130 sold for $390, and unit 1022 sold for $473. That was on the Gulf side. Now on the 3 bedroom, we still hold a record for the lakeside view, which closed for $495, was unit 1738. And the Gulf side, unit 1812 holds the record for $540.
Okay. So we're doing pretty good.
Yeah, and there's a lot of, there's already some pendings on the 3 bedroom lakeside. They're listed for $495. So, the trend goes to follow.
Up, 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 up.
Yes.
So I do want to share one last little metric that is a little bit different because this market report looks at all of the data for the building. But now I just want to focus in on the homes or the condos that have sold in this first quarter and what those metrics are. So there were 20 condos that recently sold. Average listing price was $403,950, and the average days on market for the ones that sold was only 7 days. So 7 days or less or more, a little bit more, but the average 7 days to contract, which is really cool. Average selling price was $385,000, $640,000. So that to me sounds like predominantly 1 and 2 bedrooms, but very exciting stuff. If you guys have property in Laketown Wharf or anywhere in Bay County, that you want to sell, we would love to help you with that. And of course, if you're shopping there, there is some interesting news for buyers in this building. What do you want our buyers out there to know about purchasing a condo at Laketown Wharf?
Cash buying is easy.
Cash is king.
But financing, Laketown Wharf is not an easy building to finance because of their
like Rocket Mortgage probably can't do it.
Can't get that. There are some local lenders
like Wells Fargo. No.
These
are the jokes.
That's a no. That's a no. So we do have a few local lenders that can provide financing to Laketown Wharf, but not everyone.
Let me clarify in my jokes there. Nothing wrong with those 2 lenders if you like doing business with them. It's just the building itself is what we call a non-warrantable condotel. And there is at the time of the recording of this video, there's a pending litigation, which for the building itself gets disqualified with lenders. So it has nothing to do with the loan officer that you might have a relationship with. It's just the building itself disqualifies a lot of loan products that are out there.
Right.
So.
Correct.
Well, I think that wraps up this one. If you guys want to do all that YouTube stuff, if you like this kind of content, do the like, subscribe, hit that bell notification so you don't miss anything. And we will catch you, Alice, at Laketown Wharf for another market report next month.
All right, guys.
But if you guys want to see other market reports, you'll see her a lot sooner than that. So we'll catch you on the next one.
Bye-bye for now.